Hello, I'm Prisca Benita. I just wanted to give a quick review regarding my wonderful and great experience with VOOFA.ca. I needed a work done as soon as possible. And after calling several companies here in Toronto, I was kind of discouraged. And when I finally found them on my Google search, I called. I did not leave a message. And at my surprise, someone called me back, and that was Vivek. He is great. And I gave my work, and the next day in the morning, my work was ready. This company is reliable, and that is why I have decided to really do this review as my own way of giving them my appreciation. So thank you again, VOOFA. You guys are a reliable company, professional company, and you do a great job. Thank you again. Bye bye.